Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to do basic Python programming. So, first step, um you get a like a prompt to put in your coding so I would recommend to use idle shell or notepad, which we have right here. So you can like just do um like this. I prefer right now for beginners to use like this idle shell, which is like really good. It's really useful for like if you want to do like very simple like one line programming languages. I mean program commands. Like we're gonna do like in a little bit. So I would recommend getting like a prompt, a notepad type thing to use before you start like code programming. So a very basic command you can use in Python is the print command. Um, you do print this symbol and then quotation marks hello world and then exclamation mark. Wait, let me add this. Okay, hello world, and it'll print out this hello world. So this is the one of the most basic commands you can use in Python. So we can do print hello world again, and then you see how it prints out basically your command. So that's kind of what print command does. And you can also you can do like multiple things. You can do print 3. You can print 3 plus 3 plus 3. I think that's how you do it. Yeah, for 3 you can do print 3 plus 3 is 6. So you can do a lot with the print command actually. So let's say that let's do this. Let's do this. Wait. Uh 52 plus 15. So let's print out this, okay? So we've already seen how it can print out strings. These are called strings, and these are equations. So it prints out the answer to the equation. So let's do this. You can see this is the answer. So print command, it's very simple. It's very I would say it's useful it's very useful to teach beginners on how to use Python. So let's do more things with the print command. So let's do x equals 5. Wait. I think that's yeah, okay. So then you do print x. So this is what you call a variable, and I just set the value to the number 5. So let's print it. So you can see that it prints out like the value for the number. So it's you can do like something. You can do a bit of things with the print command. Okay, and you can also do y equals let's do this. Y equals 62. That's just a random number. So you can also like combine variables with equations. So look at this. And then you got it. You got it. So so what we've learned so far is that these are called strings, how to use the print command for these, and you can also use it for boolean. Boolean is like true or false. So basically it's like uh um this. Yeah, false. So this is an equation I typed here, and I typed in these two equation marks. So it's like is 0 equal to 1? Of course it's not. So it's gonna type false. But if you do like this and then this, then it's gonna say true. So let's actually no, let's not change this. Let's do y equals 5. So we're gonna set the variable to 5 instead of 62. So then after that we're gonna do print x equal y. True. So you can also do this like easily like this. Yeah, true. So when it comes to Boolean, you can just do it simply like with the equation, or you can also just add the printing command to like make it easier. And yeah, so that's basically what the print command is. It basically just prints out whatever you type in. So you can print out equations, you can print out you can print out strings, which are what these are, and I think there's another thing. You can also do let me show you. Type X. So you can also do something called type. So type shows like what basically is a variable, like what type of like data does the variable have. So we can do this. It's a integer. Look, it's integer. The integer. I mean, the integer is a 5. So 5 is an integer. Okay. So let's do 5.01. Okay. So we can do print type x, and then flow. It's a flow now because we added the decimal into it, and we can do. Oh yeah, we can also do strings. We can add strings into this. So let's do x equals to hello world. Okay, then print type x string. Yeah, this is a string. Print x hello world. So yeah, okay, let me like up this. So yeah, this is what like we've learned so far, and I think you can also so we learned about type. I think there is negatives. Yeah, let me try this with negatives, actually. So let's do -1, and then we print type x. And it's still going to pick an integer. So even though you changed it to a negative number, it's still going to show it's an integer. Let's do print. Okay. Oh yeah, I want to show you something cool, guys. So you can do hello, and then worlds. You can do print x plus y. So you can combine strings into one. So I think this is gonna work. Hello world. Let me also space this out. So, and then print x plus y. So you can combine strings using the print command. You can combine strings into like a full-on string, basically. That's kind of it. Let's do print type x plus y. I think I made that wrong. Print type x plus y. Okay. Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, so that's basically it for the printing command. Yeah. So what we've learned is that how to print command, like how to do like print, like the print command, what strings are, what integers are, what floats are. What floats are basically like data with like decimals and all that. So let's try to do 0. So x equals 0. So you print type x integer. Yeah, it's still going to show integer even though it's the value 0. So yeah, that's kind of what the print command is. Like that's kind of like what you can do with the print command right now. So okay, welcome back everyone. So now we're gonna just do more things with variables, but first I want to teach you about what comment is. So Python has these things called comments, which are basically like this, right? So basically they're kind of messages you can set that show to the person who reads like the code, and also it can be like a note to yourself. It's very good for instructions actually. So let's say that um do print um hello world. So that doesn't really execute as an actual command. It's kind of just like an instruction that like it's kind of just there basically. So let's just function. Let's just experiment with more variables. So let's do x, y, and then let's add a z into this. Equals to string. Let's make it a string. Hello world. Ew, wait, let me see. I think I'm doing that wrong. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong. Okay, wait. So you're not supposed to do the commas just like what I did. So you're supposed to do x equals y and then equals z equals to 1. So that's how you're supposed to do it. And after that, you're gonna print x plus y plus z, and then you get 3. So each value equals to 1. So x equals 1, y equals to 1, and then z equals to 1. So if you combine all those together, you get 3, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. Let's do x equals to y equals to z equals to. Let's do a string this time. Orange. So let's do orange, and then you get that, and then print x, you get orange. Print y, you get orange, and then print z. You also get orange. So print x, y, and then no wait, no, I think wait, x, y, then z, orange, 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 orange. So you get that. You can also do x x plus this. Yeah, okay. Okay, let me also do this. So okay, I think this will work. Hello, banana. Let's do a banana. Oh, okay, wait. X. Yeah, see, okay, that works. So then we print x, y, and then z. Banana, orange, and apple. So this is like you can assign multiple variables in the same line. So instead of just doing like x equals to banana, y, like all in this like in 3 lines, you can just do it in 1 line basically. So yeah, that's pretty useful. Um, you can also do it as a list. So what a list is that you did this, and after that you do you do oh okay, I didn't mean that. You do this. So it's like you add the thing into it. Orange, apple, then print x, y, and z. Yeah, same thing. So you can do it like that. Yeah, and then hi. Very okay. Let us do this. Okay. X equals to let's do awesome. And then define my func. So we'll be learning about functions. Okay. So now we're gonna go to functions. So function is basically like where you define something, you call in a function, and after that, like it's really useful in like doing like some more like complex programming. So let's do that. define my function, print, let's do Python is, think that's it, and then plus X. So you remember how we did the you do this plus thing? Therefore, we'll do it with this. So you can also do it with like this basically, and then we do it like that, and then you do call my func. My func. Python is awesome. Yes, okay. So you do my func, and then after that you add these two parentheses, and after that you do that. Oh wait, no, I don't. Actually, my okay, never mind. So you add these two symbols, and then after that you get Python is awesome, and then you can do x um let's do multiple. So let's do at y equal to vary, and then you do define my func, print Python is y plus x. Oh wait, no wait, my bad. Y x y this, and then you do my func. Python is very. Oh, I did that wrong. Let's make it like this. Vary my func. Does that work? Yeah, okay, that works. That works. Okay, Python is very awesome. So instead of Python is awesome, it's very awesome. So you can do like a lot of this. You can combine like you can utilize functions to combine variables together, and so that's like basically the beginning. So we're gonna functions is a very important thing that like it's gonna be used in very like complex programming. So um you can do like a lot like basically with it. So let's do um let's see. Okay. So now we're gonna do something called string splicing. So what this means is that y'all already know about strings, right? So let's do b equals to um um let's do Python is very let's just do Python. Let's just do Python. That's very simple. So what you do is that you do print b, and then it's this, I think, 2 and 5 should work. Though, yeah, okay, I got it. So this is what we did. What I just did was that basically I excluded these two letters. Like I excluded the n and the p y through something called splicing. So what I did was that next to the b where I printed it, I did this, and then 2 to 5. So it shows us the range of like the of what you want to print. So let's do b equals to um um wait 1 to wait 7. Okay, this should work. B 1 to 7 should work. Outcome. Oh, okay, wait. Print b 0 to 7. Yeah, welcome. Okay. So that is string splicing. It's basically where you take out a bunch of like letters from the string. So you kind of like cut the string in like pieces basically. So let's do print b. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, and then it should work. I hope. E. Yeah, see? Okay, so it only displays one letter. So let's do print B 3 to 8. Okay, let's just do 7 actually. Come, yeah, so that we just took the well off of like the welcome, so yeah. So that is what string splicing is. So it's basically where you like take out like a bunch of like letters from the string. So we can do, let's see, let's see, we can do x equals to, wait, actually, print b. Let me do one more thing. So let's do a number. Let's do, oh, wait, no, not numbers. Let's do a really long sentence. Let's do x equals to, hi, I love Python. So I don't know. I just want to test out, like, I just want to show you, like, this thing. So let's just do a random thing. Like this is good. Oh, yeah. See, so you got. Oh, I'm sorry. X 4 to 7. IL. So you can see it takes like these two and it just does IL. So yeah. So that's basically what string splicing is. It's basically where you take out like a bunch of like letters from the string. Okay. Okay. I forgot what to do one more thing. So let's try to do the splicing thing with negative numbers. So let's do -4 and then -7. So let's see what happens. You get nothing. Let's see. Let's do the thing for PEMDAS. So let's do x equals to, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, and then yeah, let's do that, and then should go. It doesn't work, but okay, yeah, see, so you just noticed that it basically doesn't work, right? Because it utilizes negative numbers, and that this is like this only like when it comes to string splicing, right? String splicing like it requires like positive numbers to input into like the what do you call it, the string, like the string splicing. Okay, so yeah, yeah. Let's do another value. Okay, let's do this. A equals to bien oh wait, no, never mind. Uppercase. Let's do like no uppercase. So it's upper very hypocritical. So let's do print A uppercase. So this is a very new command. So this is kind what I'm teaching right now through this is like how to edit like strings. So let's do this. It should work. Wait, print uppercase. Okay, maybe that is. Maybe let's do print A uppercase. Oh, okay. Yeah. Wait. Let me fix that. Let me try to fix that. Hello everyone. Welcome back. So, I got the upper thing wrong. So this is the actual command. It is print upper. So this is the actual command. I did upper dot a. So and I also did uppercase. So this is the actual command. As you can see, it prints. The variable was uppercase. The string was lowercase. Actually, it's for kind of hypocritical. So now it translated to uppercase, and you can also see I did the string splicing thing. I made my string uppercase, and then I lowered it to uppercase. I mean lowercase. My bad. I'm getting confused. So you can clearly see how you can like manipulate the size of your like strings. So what we learned in this video, this will be the end of it. How to use print command, types of data, integers, float, strings, how what are variables, how to like put data in them, how to print them, comments, which we just use, and how to manipulate strings. So, which was the string splicing and what the changing the to uppercase and lowercase. So, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great.